Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start with fresh ingredients and a single simple method that reliably produces clear, aromatic tea. Use 2 fresh lemongrass stalks and 2 cups of water. Trim the dry ends and peel any tough outer layers, then bruise the stalks with the back of a knife to release the essential oils. 1 tablespoon of dried lemongrass can substitute for fresh stalks if you do not have fresh herb. Measure everything before heating so the process is smooth and consistent. Place the bruised stalks into a small saucepan with the measured water and bring 2 cups water and bruised stalks to a boil. Once boiling, reduce heat to low and simmer gently for 5 minutes for subtle flavor or 10 minutes for stronger tea, covered to retain volatile aroma. Turn off heat and let steep for an extra minute if you like a fuller body. Finally, strain into a cup and discard solids, catching any small fibers with a fine mesh or paper filter. Serve the lemongrass tea hot or over ice as desired. Sweeten with 1 teaspoon honey or add a slice of lemon for brightness, and stir briefly. Taste before adding sweetener because the intensity varies with steep time. Store leftover brewed tea in the refrigerator up to 48 hours in a sealed container to avoid oxidation. When ready to drink again, reheat gently. Do not boil to preserve aroma and essential oils, or enjoy chilled with ice and a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.